Organizational brilliance. SoBuy 2 drawers 2 doors laundry cabinet review. Are you tired of laundry cluttering up your bathroom or laundry room? Look no further than the SoBuy 2 drawers 2 doors laundry cabinet. This ingenious piece of furniture not only adds a touch of elegance to your space, but also offers a practical solution to your laundry storage needs. First and foremost, the design of this cabinet is both sleek and functional. Its 2 drawers and 2 doors provide ample storage space for all your laundry essentials, keeping them neatly tucked away and out of sight. The drawers glide smoothly, allowing for easy access to your belongings, while the doors feature stylish handles that complement the cabinet's overall aesthetic. One of the standout features of the SoBuy Laundry Cabinet is its 2 removable laundry baskets. These baskets make sorting and organizing your laundry a breeze, allowing you to separate whites from colors or delicates from regular wash items with ease. Plus, the fact that they're removable means you can easily transport your laundry to and from the washing machine without any hassle. Durability is another key aspect of this cabinet. Constructed from high-quality materials, it's built to withstand the rigors of daily use. Whether you're storing heavy detergent bottles or bulky towels, you can trust that this cabinet will hold up over time. Assembly is relatively straightforward, thanks to the detailed instructions included with the product. With just a few simple steps, you'll have your new laundry cabinet set up and ready to use in no time. In terms of aesthetics, the SoBuy Laundry Cabinet exudes a timeless elegance that will complement any decor style. Its clean lines and neutral color palette make it a versatile addition to any space, whether you prefer a modern, minimalist look or a more traditional aesthetic. Overall, the SoBuy 2 drawers 2 doors laundry cabinet is a must-have for anyone looking to streamline their laundry storage. Its clever design, durable construction, and stylish appearance make it a standout choice for any home. Say goodbye to cluttered laundry rooms and hello to organized bliss with this fantastic piece of furniture.